CNH had an initiative globally to start looking at distribution automation. We landed on AutoStore, and Bastian absolutely was the right decision from an integrator to go with. CNH is a full-line global manufacturer of both agriculture and construction equipment. Our Indianapolis facility is one of 3 global masters that CNH has, and the most automated.
Moving towards automation, we wanted to achieve faster results, higher capacity in our building. We had space constraints within this facility, so AutoStore allowed us to condense our product into one area.
We average anywhere from 14 to 15,000 lines in and out of this building a day. And with 65% of that going through our 50,000 square foot AutoStore, allowed us to change kind of how we have viewed our warehouse strategy and how we operate day to day.
Our warehouse operations before automating with Bastian was a very manual process. A lot of walking through mezzanines, pushing carts, driving down aisles on forklifts. Integrating with Bastian and AutoStore allowed us to eliminate the manual processes and automate our systems.
So when we were looking at different solutions for CNH, AutoStore at the time was a pretty obvious choice. We really saw a lot of their product fit within that. The AutoStore, as well as the racking, CNH has different areas that they pick from. They ship to multiple different distribution centers across their network. So the conveyor allowed for us to transport the automation portion all the way across the entire facility into one consolidated area that they call the sort cell. By combining the AutoStore and the sort cell, they're able to increase their throughput up to about 35 cartons per minute.
I constantly, bring them with new problems, and they come out with a range of solutions, and we, walk the floor, measure everything, and then, hit other aspects like ergonomic improvements and safety improvements and kind of how all of that works hand in hand.
We've now expanded the AutoStore, so that went from 28,000 bins to 128,000 bins, as well as kind of quadrupled in size of not only the bins, but as well as robots and throughput. There's no more running around the operation from one side of the building to the other. It's all automated and kind of allows for that efficient and safe manner of transport.
And that has increased our productivity. It's been allowed us to be a lot more flexible with how we actually complete the orders, and it gives us a chance to actually do a one-stop shop for all of our processing of those type of orders.
It's been a great experience. We've seen really good results out of the system, and hopefully we can partner more with Bastian on our future automation designs and implementation.
It was essentially the exact right decision to make to go with AutoStore, and I very much look forward to working with Bastian in the future.